Good morning and welcome to online class. Class 7 day 25, subject social studies and lesson 2.3 and lesson name is social customs prevalent among in some major caste. Yes, in previous class I had already taught you about caste. Yes, Brahman, Kshetri, yes, Mogar, Tam, Limbus, Rai. Yes, this all I had already explained you in previous classes, and today I am going to explain you about Tharus and Gurung. Yes, how much total population occupied by Tharus? Yes, which festival they are celebrate? Yes, today I will explain. Yes, here. Okay, Tharu occupy 6% of total population of Nepal. Tharu occupied how much population? 6%. Yes, total population of Nepal, and mainly they live in that Chitwan, Dang, Surkhet, Udaipur. Yes, mainly they live in that area. Tharu, we found Tharu in that area, and the name giving ceremony is done on the 6th to 9th day of the birth of child. कहिले गरिन्छ त नेमिङ सेरेमनी भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ 6 डे टु 9 डे अफ द बर्थ अफ चाइल्ड, बच्चा जन्मेको 6 दिन देखि 9 दिन भित्र के गरिन्छ त नेमिङ सेरेमनी गरिन्छ. यस, and they are very simple minded and hard working people in Nepal. Yes, उनीहरुको माइन्ड चाहिँ के हुन्छ, सिम्पल हुन्छ, but they are very hard working. Yes, they do hard work for living and for survive. Yes, and same like that, arrange, chori and jari are common marriage in this community, in Tharu community. Yes, and they bury or burn the dead bodies. Yes, उनीहरुले चाहिँ के गर्छन् त थारू कम्युनिटीमा के हुन्छ त, they burn or bury their dead bodies. Yes, same like that, Maghi and Phagu is are their important festivals. Maghi and yes, Maghe Sakrati जब तिनीहरु सेलिब्रेट, तिनीहरुलाई माघमा जुन पर्छन् त्यसलाई के भन्छन्, तिनीहरुले माघी भन्छन्. And Phagu are the very most important and popular festival of Tharu community. Yes, and their dance is very popular in our country. Tharu dance is very popular in our country. When we go to Saura, yes, and in that place I had saw that dance, Tharu dance there, because त्यहाँ चाहिँ के छ त थारू कम्युनिटी छ र त्यहाँ चाहिँ हरेक कुनै महिना या कुनै फेस्टिभलमा चाहिँ यो हुने रहेछ. I love it, मलाई चाहिँ एकदमै मन पर्यो त्यो डान्स. यस, there are some dance which are very famous in Tharu community. Jhumra, Jatin, yes, Lathi Nach and Gopi Nach are very famous in Tharu community. Yes, Jatin, Lathi Nach, Gopi Nach and Jhumra Nach is very famous in Tharu community. Yes, today this Tharu community total population occupy 6%. Yes, naming ceremony celebrate 6th to 9th day. Yes, same like that, there are some famous dance also, and dead bodies are buried also and born also. Yes, and next topic is today Gurung community. Yes, we know about this Gurung community very well. Yes, Gurung is another ethnic group. यो के हो त, अर्को ग्रुप हो, इथिक ग्रुप हो, अर्को कास्ट हो. यस, दे हैव देयर मेजोरिटी इन वेस्टर्न हिली रिजन. गुरुङहरुको चाहिँ के छ त, एकदम मेजोरिटी छ वेयर ईस्टर्न हिली रिजन. यस, and Gurung occupy 2% of total population of Nepal. नेपालको 2% पपुलेसन के छ त अकुपाई छ सेम लाइक दैट गुरुङ फलो हिन्दुइज्म एन्ड सम फलो बुद्धिज्म गुरुङ कम्युनिटीमा चाहिँ कोही व्यक्तिले केही व्यक्तिले चाहिँ के गर्छन् त हिन्दूको रुल्स एन्ड रेगुलेसन फेस्टिभलहरु फलो गर्छन् भने केही व्यक्तिहरुले चाहिँ के गर्नुहुन्छ त बुद्धिस्ट रुल्स एन्ड रेगुलेसन दे follow yes they follow some people follow Buddhism religion and some follow Hinduism religion yes and some of they have their own unique social custom उहाँहरुको चाहिँ आफ्नै युनिक के हुन्छ त सोशल कस्टम हुन्छ yes while they went to their what say that when they went to any festivals yes same like that Losar they wear their own custom they wear their own costume when anyone dead yes then they also wear their costume yes मर्दाखेरि पनि उहाँहरुको चाहिँ छुट्टै एउटा कस्टम हुँदो रहेछ अनि त्यसपछि हुन्छ अनि त्यसपछि कुनै पनि फेस्टिभलहरुमा वा सेलिब्रेट गर्नुहुन्छ भने उहाँ they follow their own social custom they follow own tradition yes and they celebrate the birth of first child as a special ceremony yes first baby जब पहिलो बच्चा जन्मिन्छ त्यतिखेर चाहिँ गुरुङहरुले चाहिँ एकदमै स्पेशल सेरेमनी एकदमै सेलिब्रेट गर्नुहुन्छ yes when a first child as a birth they celebrate very highly yes the putpute dance is performed on this occasion yes when baby birth yes they perform some dance that dance name is putpute dance yes and they also celebrate festivals yes Losar Dasai Tihar yes and love marriage and arranged marriage are very common in this community yes love marriage and arranged marriage are what very common in this community Gurung community yes the naming day of the child is observed on 11th day of birth बच्चा जन्मेको 11 दिनपछि के हुन्छ त नेमिङ सेरेमनी डे सेलिब्रेट गर्छन् इन गुरुङ कम्युनिटी yes they bury or cremate the dead bodies yes they bury or cremate the dead bodies उहाँहरुकोमा यदि कम्युनिटीमा कोही व्यक्ति बित्नु भयो भने एउटा छुट्टै के छ त एउटा छुट्टै रुल्स एन्ड रेगुलेसन छ एउटा छुट्टै सेलिब्रेट गर्ने तरिका छ यस इन गुरुङ कम्युनिटी lama will come yes and they pray they do many things yes they only after that they finish that all things then only they bury their bodies yes only they bury their bodies and they also they perform all funeral rites for Gurung community people Argo is a unique death custom of Gurung community they also celebrate Losar Dasai Tihar Mage Sakrati yes Chaitya Dasai these all festivals are celebrated by Gurung community yes yes and today we also finished Gurung community. Gurung community means people follow their own social custom. Yes, 2% of total population of Nepal is occupied by Gurung. Yes, some people follow Hinduism and some follow yes Buddhism. Yes, today this much. In next class I will teach you about Dimag and Tamang. Yes, and I will give you some tasks. Please complete that task. Okay. This is your task. Yes, and there is 2 questions. Please complete this question. Okay. Write about the social custom in Gurung community. Gurung community को social custom को बारे में explain गर्नुहोस्. Yes. And next is why do different castes have different ritual? Different castes को different ritual हुनुको कारण के हो त? Explain here. Yes. This 2 question is very important and please write and learn also. Okay. I will meet you in next class. Stay safe, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.